the Pacific, where the black sands lie, there's a place of wonder beneath the Vanuatu sky. Ambrym's spirit calls through the jungle's green, where the Tamsung drums echo in a land serene. Oh, Ambrym, island of fire and dreams, with your volcanoes roaring your magic streams. From the roam dance to the village song, in your embrace we all belong. The volcano's glow lights up the night, a beacon of power, a mesmerizing sight. In the native villages, traditions thrive, where the past and present come alive. Oh, Ambrym, island of fire and dreams, with your volcanoes roaring your magic streams. From the roam dance to the village song, in your embrace we all belong. The black sand beaches kiss the ocean's blue, in the jungle's heart, secrets old and new. Magic whispers through the ancient trees, in Ambrym's land we find our peace. Oh, Ambrym, island of fire and dreams, with your volcanoes roaring your magic streams. From the roam dance to the village song, in your embrace we all belong. So let the Tamsung drums play on, in Ambrym's land where we are drawn. A place of wonder, wild and free. Ambrym, you'll always be a part of me.